This is the extra large body wrap. It's extra long to provide heat to the entire length of my back. And when I sit down, my body holds it in place. Wraps around your tummy and is wonderful for tummy aches. Can also be used on your legs for muscle cramps. Microwave for 90 seconds. If it's not warm enough, reheat at 10-second intervals only. Be careful not to overheat. Extreme heating can cause burning or fire. And as the pad heats up, just reduce the time accordingly. The extra large body wrap has chambers sewn into it so that the filling does not move or shift when you use it. The cover is removable as well. You take off the cover, put it in your washing machine on gentle, and it'll wash up as nice as new.
I take this and put this in the freezer at night and let it freeze for about 30 minutes or so. Then I lay on top of it and it cools me down. I use it because I do a lot of heavy lift care at my job. I'm a caregiver and it actually helps my back.